So we'll be just finishing this section. I was just looking at the sutras. So we are here. We'll study from this today and we'll finish here, this section. सजोष आशीष इत्यनयोरि सुसंत धातुश्चरो विष्णुपदान्ते तस्य विष्णुसर्गश्च सुपि. The final varna of the words sajush, which means an associate, and ashish, which means wish or blessing. The word ashirvad, the ashi is from ashish. And the final varna of dhatus ending in is or us change to ra rama when the vishaya is Vishnu Padanta. And that ra changes to Vishnu Sarga when sup follows. Yes, so there's Sharamas and the Saramas, they change to Rarama when it's Vishnu Padanta. The next sutra says, Iruranta dhatu Uddhavasya Trivikrama Vishnu Padante. Now the Uddhava of a dhatu ending in Ir or Ur becomes Trivikrama when the Vishaya is Vishnu Padanta. So if we have the word Sajush, Yukta Su, Radha Vishnu Janabhyam Ipashta Trivikramat Soraraha, and then Sajush Ashish Ityanayor Isusant Dhatushcharo Vishnu Padante Tasya Vishnu Sargashta Supi is applied. And so we have Ra Rama in place of Sha Rama by that sutra, because that particular says Sajush. And there is printing mistake here actually, even here. So Iruranta Dhatu Uddhavasya. So the Uddhava of a dhatu ending in Ir or Ur becomes Trivikrama. So the Uddhava, Antyasarvishratno, what is Uddhava?
Antyat Purva Varna Uddhava Sangha.
Antyat Purva Varna Uddhava Sangha. So this Urama becomes Trivikrama when it's Vishnu Padanta, so it's Vishnu Padanta. And Sajur and Sararama Vishnu Sarva Vishnu Padanta, Saju. Some printing mistake here. So yes. Sajush Yuktau, Sajushau, Sajush, Sajusha, Sajusham, Sajushau, Sajusha, Sajusha. Then Sajur Bhyam, Trivikrama. Sajush Bhyam, Purvasya Vishnu Padavattam Ityadi. Sajushashe Shityanayor Isusant Dhatushcharo Vishnu Padante Tasya Vishnu Sargashta Sup is applied. Then Iruranta Dhatu Ruddhavasya Trivikrama Vishnu Padante is applied. Sajur Bhyam. And then Purvasya Vishnu Padavattam and Sararamyor, no. Then
Ishvara Sarveshvara Gopalayo.
No, means that is to make Ra out of Vishnu Sarga, right?
Yeah, that's the next one. Oh, you're saying what turns it into the
Vishnu Sarga.
That is, what is this? That's Saranamaya Vishnu Sarga Vishnu Padante. Yeah, because we just applied Purvasya Vishnu Padavatvam.
Yeah, Sargama Vishnu Sarga. Sajuh Bhyam, and then again 144.
Ra Ishvara.
Ra Ishvara Sareshvara Gopalyo. Sajur Bhyam. This is Trivikrama again. Printing mistake.
Strange because they did it all the way through.
Yeah, even ahead I just watched somewhere here they also did the same. Here Chikir, You see the missing dot?
Yeah.
Means now it's visible. Here, let me.
Maybe it's there if you zoom in.
Now it's here.
Oh, that's strange.
It was a Brahma, really.
Wow.
In PDFs, I've seen sometimes it happens.
It's a mixture of bad senses and also this yantra, adi yantra klesha.
The fourth one.
Yeah. Oh man.
I was wondering, means Matsyatar Prabhu and the team, how can they do
Yeah.
it?
Well, especially when I looked at the chart and the whole chart was wrong. Also, I was like, what? What is going on here?
So the PDF was checking whether we know or not. That's my speculation. Saju. Yeah. So yes, we have Saju, Sajusha, Sarusha, Sarusham, Sarusha, 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 Sajurbhyam, Sajurbhi, Sajushri, Sajurbhyam, Sajurbhya, Sajusha, Sajurbhyam, Sajurbhya, Sajushaha, Sajusho, Sajusham, Sajushi, Sajusho. Then Sajushu, Tasya Vishnu Sargashta Supi. So that Ra Rama converts into Vishnu Sarga. And here it is. Saju, Sajusho, Sajusha. Yes. The next word is Pipatish, one who desires to study. So this is Dhatu Pat and it's Sanant, Sankriyachayam, We'll study this in the next chapter, Akhyat Prakaranam. Yes. So Pipatish Yuktasu. So now what happened is, so when the Krit Pratyaya quip is applied after the Sanant Dhatu, Pipatisha, so the word was Pipatisha. We get the word Pipatish after applying pip to this. So what happened is, because there was a Rama here, so Ishwara Harimitra was applied, and that's how this Sa Rama, dental Sa, converted into the Murdhanya, cerebral Sh. The Shatva happened. But when a Rama, which is one of the nimittas, which is Paranimitta, is deleted, then nimitta by naimittikasya apyapayah is applied, and then it again changes to the normal dental sa. So pipathis, and this is Radha Vishnu Janabhyam. Then Sajush Ashish Itya Nayor is us ant. So the words or the dhatus which end in is or us. So this ends in is. So the Sa Rama changes to Ra Rama, Isusanta Dhatu Ro Vishnu Padante, and then Iruranta Dhatu Ruddhavasya Trivikrama Vishnu Padante is applied. Trivikrama, then Sa Rama Vishnu Sargo Vishnu Padante. Pipatishavu, Pipatishaha, Ityadi. Then when it comes to Bhyam, again the same thing, Nimitta Pai Naimittikasya Apyapayah. And what else? Purvasya Vishnu Padavattam. And then Pipatish Yuktabhyam, again Purvasya Vishnu Padavattam, again Sajusha Shitya Nayor Isusanta Dhatu Shira Vishnu Padante, Tasya Vishnu Sargashta Stupi is applied, and the same process, Pipathir Bhyam. When it comes to Sud, then Tasya Vishnu Sargashta Stupi is applied at the end, and Pipathi Shu. So it's amazing that first of all a verbal root is taken, then Sanant is done, then Sanant, and then we brought it to the Karaka, sorry, Kridanta. We had put quip there. Then after making it into Pipatish, we again brought it here. So quite a long journey for the Pat Dhatu to be Pipati and so on. Dhatunam anekarthatvat. Yes, this is what. Dhatunam anekarthatvat. Each dhatu can have several meanings. Anek arthatvat. The word Vishwachikirsh, one who desires to create the universe, is declined in the same way. What is this one? अच्छा, रात्सस्यैव सत्संगान्तः हरविधिः. रात्सस्यैव सत्संगान्तः हरविधिः is applied. So Vishvachikirshitsu Radha Vishnu Janabhyam, and Rat after Rama Sasya Eva Satsanganta Haravidhi. So after Rama, if there is a Satsanga after Rama, means if there is a Satsanga in which Rama stands at the first place, so at the second place when we have Sarama, then only the Satsanganta Haravidhi is applied, Satsanganta Haravidhi, in the case of Rama at the first place. So Saram is deleted by this sutra, and Rat, and then 255. Why 255 here? Chikis. What is 255? 255 this. Why Vamana, the E-Rama?
Oh, I don't remember what 255 is.
255 is this, Rat Satsaiva Satsanganta Haravidhi. But the question is, why this Trivikrama E changes back to the Vamana E?
Oh,
1 minute.
is it a mistake?
No. It's, yeah, I think so. No, it's not a mistake actually. What happened is because in Chikirsha, this was Sanant, Apratyaya, Sanant, and Kri is Dhatu, and by some sutras ahead, it became this Chikirsha with a long E. Means that sutra will be coming in Akhyat Prakranam. So when we removed the Sa of San Dhatu, San Pratyaya, then this Trivikrama also got, deleted and it came back to the Vamana. Now, Eruranta Dhatu Ruddhavasya, Trivikrama Vishnu Padanta is applied. And then this again changes to Trivikrama.
I see.
So Nimittapai Naimittikasyapai is applied here. And then Vishvachiki, which is one who desires to create the universe. Chiki. Vishva Chikirshav. Then the same things. Vishvachiki Vidhyam, Vishvachiki Shu. Yeah, Vishvachikirshu, right? No Vishnu Sarga here because this is not part of Sajush Ashish Ityana or Isusant Ityadi. So, yes. So, one homework for you is the word Sajush. Let me type it for you today. We don't have our class monitor. Sajush. Yeah. Then comes a sutra. Sahajasya murdhanya jata karama sambandhinascha ksharamasya satsangadi hare daha. Anyasya tuko vaktavya dishi drishya anudakapura sprishi jatasya cha. When there is deletion of the beginning of the satsang of ksharama, that is either natural or possesses a karama that was produced from a murdhanya varna.
Is that this Raj Desh Drish Ritve Drishni Dadrish Anudakapurva Sprish Ityadiram Ko Vishnu Padante?
Yeah. Yes. So or possesses a karama that was produced from a murdhanya varna, the remaining ksharama becomes dharama. But when there is deletion of the beginning of the satsanga of any other kind of ksharama, or even when there is a deletion of the beginning of the satsanga of the ksharama that is produced from dish, drish, or sprish, not in samasa with the word udaka, the remaining ksharama becomes karama. Wow. So when we have go raksh, which means one who protects the cows, among the words that have a natural ksharama. So here this ksharama is not, made up or produced from this murdhanya varna. This ksha is natural in the dhatu, raksh. So in this case, this ksharama changes to dharama because it says if it is either natural. So yes, go raksh, Radha Vishnu Janabhyami Paschati Vikramnath Saur Haraha. Then Satsangantasya Haro. No. Skoho Satsangadyor Haro Vishnu Padante Vaishnavecha, right?
Yeah.
Is applied, Karama is deleted.
Yeah.
And then applying this sutra, Ashin Prabhu, what is the meaning of Skoho Satsangadyor Haro Vishnu Padante Vaishnavecha?
The Karama is changing into Dharama when a Vaishnava follows.
This is the sutra, please take a note. What is the meaning? Just by looking at the sutra, we should know the meaning.
Yeah.
We should study in that way. And sometimes it's okay that we stumble or we are stuck, but in general, we should be able to grasp at least 90% of the sutra.
The sa or ka in the beginning of a satsanga is deleted when the Vishaya is Vishnu Padanta or when a Vaishnava follows.
Yes. So in this case, what's happening?
We have a yes, we have Go Rakshaks and that's becoming Go Rakshad. So the Karama standing is changing into the. And that's because
No, what is the implication of Skoh Satsangadhir Haro Vishnu Padante Vaishnavecha?
there is a satsanga there. Satsanga is deleted actually. And
So
the
which letter is deleted out of ka sha?
the sha is deleted.
No.
Sorry, satsanga, right? The ka is deleted.
Yes. So please read again the translation of that Skoh Satsangadhir.
And sa or ka in the beginning of a satsanga is deleted when the Vishaya is Vishnu Padanta or when a Vaishnava follows.
Yes. So now the Satsanga is of Karama and Sharama, right?
Rama.
So either Sarama or Karama, which is in the beginning of a Satsanga. So now in the beginning of a Satsanga, we have Karama.
Rama.
So Karama gets deleted.
Yes.
And this
and the sa is getting converted to
Murdhanya Jata. Okay, Prabhuji.
the voice got cut.
Hare Krishna now. Now?
But we can hear you now. There was a little bit of lag for some time.
Okay. So that Karama is deleted and Sharama changes to Darama.
The Rama.
Yeah, is that okay, Prabhu?
Yes, Prabhu.
So yes. Then it becomes Gorad, and then Vishnu Dasasya Harikamalam Vavirame 252, which is Vishnu Dasasya Harikamalam Vavirame. So yes, Gorad, Gorakshav, Gorakshaha, and Goradbhyam, the same thing. And Goratsu, Yadav Matre Harikamalam, Rakshar Va Ka Iti Kechit. Some say that when there is deletion of the beginning of the Satsanga of the Ksharama of Raksh, the remaining Sharama optionally becomes Karama. So when we have Goraksh, so Radha Vishnu Janabhyam Vipashatri Krimatsor Haraha, and Sko Satsangadir Hara Vishnu Padanta Vaishnavicha. We have Vaishnavicha, right? Yes. Yes, we have Vaishnavicha. And then Rakshar Vaka iti Kechit is applied. So by this sutra, what happens is some say that when there is deletion of Karama out of this Ksha conjunction, then this Sharama changes to Karama. So it becomes Gorak. And then Vishnudasa Vishnudanta Harigosha Harigada, Vishnudasa Harikamalam Vavirame, Gorak or Gorag. Like that. Among those that have Aksharama, which possesses a Karama produced from a Murdhanya Varna, are the dhatus Vish Praveshane and Vishrivyapto. So when sun and quip is applied after these dhatus, we get in both cases the word Viviksh. So Viviksh Yuktsu, Radha Vishnu Janabhyam Ityadi, and then the dhatu, Sahajasya Murdhanya Jata, this one. Sahajasya Murdhanya Jata, Karama Sambandhanashcha is applied. Yes.
This Murdhanya Varna means, can you just clarify?
Murdhanya Varna is Murdhanya is cerebral.
Yes,
you know, Yashana, what is that? Murdhanya is cerebral. So those, cerebral. So those varnas which come under this category of cerebral category, those are Murdhanya varnas. Yes. Talavya varnas are those varnas which come under the Talavya category. Dantya are those which come under Dantya, and so on.
Yes.
So Vish, this Sharama, is Murdhanya. This Sha, by Chashoraj Ityadi, it also becomes Murdhanya. Do you see? Although this is Talavya, but this also changes to Sharama by Chashoraj Ityadi. So like that, Prabhu. So Viviksh Yuktasu, Viviksh, then this Ka is deleted, then Sha changes to Darama. By this sutra, Sharama becomes Darama. Either it is natural or it possesses a Karama that was produced from a Murdhanya Varna. Yes. So it becomes Vivit or Vivid, Vivikshav, Vivikshaha, Ityadi. The word vivaksh is, which means vodhum ichhati, is the sun pivant form of the dhatu prapane. So vivaksh is su, vivaksh again Radha Vishnu Janabhyam, and sahajasya murdhanya jata ityadi is applied, and this ko sasangadya hara Vishnu Vedanta Vaishnavicha, then sh changes to the Rama, but vivat or vivat. Hara Vishnu Dasasya Harikam Nama Brahme. Vivaksha, vivaksha. Actually, this sutra is implies many things, and for the time being, we are just studying the examples which Jiva Goswami has given. But over the period of time, I believe that this sutra will open up much more to us, you know, about, because it has got many things, many subtle things in it. So now we are just going through the flow, and we'll try to read something. So among those that have a different kind of ksharama is the word vivaksh. This is very much used in the commentaries, vivaksha, like, so one who desires to speak, which is the sanpivant form of the dhatu vach paribhashane, to speak, say, tell. So, yes. विवक्ष युक्त सु राधा विष्णु जनाभ्याम को सत्संगाद्य और हरो इत्यादि, and then Sharama changes to Karama by 283, because the second part of that sutra said that but when there is deletion of the beginning of satsanga of any other kind of Ksharama, which is the case of Vivaksh, then the remaining Sh becomes Karama. So that's why it's becoming Karama here. Vivak or Vivaksha ityadi. So the word didhaksh is the sanquibant form of the dhatu daha, bhasmikarane. From daha becomes dahana, from daha becomes daha sanskar, if you have heard of. In India, it's very common term, daha sanskar, the ceremony, the funeral ceremony. So daha means to burn. Daha. Yes, Holika Dahan, they say, Holika Dahan. So Didhaksh Yuktasu, Radha Vishnu Janabhyam, Skosa Sangadyur, and Sahajasya Murdhana Jata is applied. Sha become Ka, and then the same thing. Didhaksha, Didhaksha. Supis Yuktasu, Sajush Ashish Ityanayor is Usant is applied. Sa becomes Rarama. Iruranta Dhatu Ruddhavasya Ro. What is that? Iruranta Dhatu Ruddhavasya Trivikramaha. Vishnu Padanta is applied. Supir and Sarnamyor. Supi. Supisau, Supisah, Ityadi. And Sutus is Sutuhu. Like that. Same thing. The change to Sha is applied by Sutra 170, and thus we get Supi Su, Sutuhu Su, Shu. So this is Ishwara Harimitra Kangambi Pratyay Virinti Shu. By that sutra, Nom Vishnu Sarga Vyavdhanapi. Even if a Vishnu Sarga is a Vyavdhan, even then Sir Rama will change to the Murdhanya Sha when there is Ishwara behind. So this is an example of that. Pi Shu, Su, Tu, Shu. Okay. So Yeah, this much for today. We'll continue tomorrow. This is also like, anyhow, we'll just continue tomorrow. Atto Santadavasa Trivikrama Buddhavarjita Sau Dhatumina. We did that. So Uru Shravas Yuktasu, and by that sutra, Atva Santadavasa Trivikrama Buddhavarjita Sau Dhatumina, because it ends with us and it says us anta uddhavasya. So what was that, bro?
I yawned. I'm sorry.
It was like you got your answer which you were searching for since long time. So
Sound like
means
that.
I thought like that.
I
Uru
was
Shravas.
thinking that.
I'm sorry.
I said I was also thinking that because I was just thinking it's cool that he gave this sutra kind of long ago, but because he's going in a particular order with the endings, this could have been applied then. He could have given us this word then, but Jiva Goswami is giving in the particular order. So now he's just saying, now you apply this, and then we have the whole word done with this one, basically.
So Urushravah, Radha Vishnu Janabhyam and Sararamur Ityadi, Urushravasa Shravasa Ityadi. Yeah. Here 3-2, Urushravas Bham, Purvasya Vishnupada Vatvam is applied, and then
Sararamayur.
Sararamur is applied, then Adarama Gopalyur Nityam is applied, and Uru Shravobhyam, Shravhasu. So Urushrava, Urushravaso, Ityadi. Those Yuktasu, so simple. Doshau. Okay, in this case, how come Sir Rama changes to this? Because of Ishwara Harimitra. Doshau, Doshaha, Dosham, Doshau, Ityadi. This is interesting actually. So words like Vishtara Shravas and Vedas are declined in the same way as Urushravas. So the word Vedas is quite important. We often get it in the scriptures. Veda. Even in Amar Kosha they have this in the names of Brahma. Veda, Vedasa, Vedasa, Vedasam, ityadi. So also do Vedas as your homework. Yes, we'll continue those word tomorrow. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. So this is the crux of Bhagavatam, or Chatushloki Bhagavatam, they say. Sa evedam sasarjagre bhagavan atma mayaya sadasad rupaya chasau gunamaya guno vibhu. Saha eva asau. What is this? Dibhu. This is Vibhu. Spelling mistake. Oh, he didn't. Oh, actually, this is Bengali.
I'm blind to this.
I'm sorry?
I said I'm blind to this.
Oh, I just started reading, and because I can read Bengali, so I thought everyone can read. Let me
May
just
as well
help
be
you.
Swahili for me.
Let me just help. So this is Bengali, and we want IAST unicorn. Copy. And here we go.
So this works quite nicely, huh? You just basically have to convert all the buzz to buzz, wherever that's.
Yeah, means whatever is here, it just converts as it is.
Yeah. Oh, that's interesting.
So Saha Eva Asau. So we'll have to bear this Bengali version.
Yeah. Ebo, asau.
I'm really sick of this ba, which they convert va into ba. I
Yeah.
don't know what
Evam
happens.
hurvaha.
So anyhow, saha eva asau. This is vibhu. Bhagavan, Bhagavan, Agunah, Agre, Sadasad Rupaya, Gunamaya, Atmamaya, Idam Sasarja.
Hare Krishna. Hare Hare.
I think some network issue.
Yeah. I just couldn't tell if it was me or if it was him. Oh, well, that's that.
Haribol.
Hare Hare.
Yeah, something went wrong. Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, Baruch, we can hear you.
Yes. So I was telling that he is the supreme personality of Godhead to whom everything else is subservient. All the everything, Kriya, Yajna, Dharma, Gati, everything.
Mm.
So such a Lord, Evam Bhuta means such a Lord, and more about him is his Vibhu, Parameshwarah, Vasudevah, Bhagwan, Bhagavatah, Ansh Avatarah, Karana, Karanodashai, Prathama Purushah Swayam. That okay. Now Saha here refers to the Karanodakshay Vishnu, who is the Prathama Purush, you know,
Mm.
because when it comes to creation, so it's not Lord Krishna himself, it's the Ansh avatar of Lord Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Because Krishna is Anshi, and actually, one place I was reading that we know means there are many avatars, but there is one avatari, as they say.
Mm-hmm.
Avatari is the one who is fountainhead of all the avatars. But Krishna is the best, or Krishna is best of the avataris even, because in the material world, all the avatars come forth from Karana Daksha Vishnu, right?
Yeah, Mahavishnu.
From Mahavishnu.
Mm-hmm.
So he's also considered to be an avatari in one sense.
Mm-hmm.
But Krishna is the ultimate avatari because from him, glides down everything.
Mm-hmm.
Everything glides down. So I was quite happy to read that part somewhere. That avataris are also of many kinds. Basically, two I could figure out. So yeah, like that. Avatari Shiromani. Yes, this is by Jiva Goswami. I think somewhere in the beginning of Tattva Sundarbha. Avatari Shiromani. So yes, Agunaha. And one more thing, like this is my doubt since long time. Maybe some of you can resolve it. When Srimad Bhagavatam says Janma Dyasya Yaton Vayadyadi, that from whom the creation takes place, to such Param Satya we meditate upon, Dhimahi.
Mm-hmm.
So is it talking of Karanadaksha Vishnu because it's, about creation? Means, or is it about Lord Krishna? Uh, means, I'm not, of course, both are same, but still talking of on a subtle note.
From
So,
Sri Vishwanath's perspective, because he gives 5 different ways to translate the verse. When he's talking about Janma Yasya Yaton Vayad, itarata, relating to creation, then he's saying that this is referring to the absolute truth in a general way. So this is just Advaya Gyan Tattva, and Krishna happens to be the fountainhead, or that Advaya Gyan. But Krishna isn't specified because that definition that's given there is not specific enough to implicate Krishna yet. So then he reinterprets when he's talking about Krishna, he says Janmadyasya Yuton Vayad, means that after his birth he left the prison house of King Kamsa. Anu Ayat, he left afterwards. So he's saying that this is it's referring to the absolute truth in a general way. So it is referring to Krishna, but it's referring to Krishna who does it through the agency of Karanodakashayi Vishnu and the other avatars.
So it means when it comes to creation of the universe, then it has to do something with Karanadaksha Vishnu.
Yes,
For sure.
and Krishna is the root of that, of Karanodakashayi Vishnu, who that's coming through.
Yeah. He's agunaha, guna atitah api. So it says gunatitah api, even though he is gunatit, but still agre, pura, like before creation. Agre stands for before creation. So sat asad rupaya, कार्य कारण आत्मिकया गुणमय्या त्रिगुणात्मिकया आत्ममायया बहिरंगया स्वशक्त्या, by his external potency, through the agency of his external potency, who is trigunatmika, who
Made up of the three modes.
who's made up of the three modes, let's say like that.
Isn't that whose form is of the three modes?
I'm sorry?
Doesn't it mean whose form is the three modes, or of the three modes? Triguna Atmika.
Yes, personified three modes, something like that. And she is Karya Karana Atmikaya. The Karya and the Karana, the cause and effect. Because the matter, the Panchamahabhut Ityadi, they are the Karanas, and anything formed from them is Karya. So all the matter lie under the category of Bahiranga Shakti, because they are dead. And anything dead is matter, and anything matter is material, and material comes under material energy, which is Bahiranga Shakti. It cannot be under spiritual potency at all. Anything which has to be under spiritual potency has to be a living thing. It cannot be dead. So idam Bishpom, it's Bishpom. It's Vishwam Sasarja, Srishtavan. Bengali is amazing. Then the second verse is Taya vilasiteshveshu guneshu gunamaniva antah pravishta abhati vijnanena vijrambhitah. Oh, I think this is not Chatushloki Bhagavatam yet.
No.
Yeah, this is not. Because even in Chatushloki Bhagavatam, the first verse, something like this appears.
Saeva Sameva, okay.
Yeah. So it's not that. Okay, sorry for my comment. So here it says, Vijnanena Sviyachit Shakti Balena Vijrambhita Atyujitah. Okay. Taya Mayaya Vilasiteshu Udbhuteshu Ayu. What is Ayu? Eshu. It should be Eshu Guneshu. Eshu Guneshu Akash आदिषु अन्तः प्रविष्टः। अंतर्यामी रूपेण अनुप्रविष्टः सन् द्वितीय पुरुषः गर्भोदशायी गुणवान इव। What is this? मदधीना, अच्छा मत अधीना, दिस इज मत अधीना एते गुणा इति अभिमानवान इव न तु वस्तुतः वस्तुतस्तथा आभाति प्रकाशते. It says what is atyujita?
Completely destroyed or defeated.
So Krishna, or sorry, the Karanadakshay Vishnu, through the agency of his Chit Shakti, through the potency of his Chit Shakti, he enters Pravishtaha in the hearts. Hearts, yes. Here Anta refers to hearts, but let's just use the word inside because it also refers to Guneshu, Akashadishu. So he enters into Eshu Guneshu, the Akash Adishu, the Tattvas, which have been created by the Karana, by the matter, the Mahat Tattva, in the form of the second Purusha, which is Garbhodashai. Gunavan iva mad adhina ete gunaha iti abhimanvan iva natu vastutah tatha abhati. What does this mean? That all these gunas are under me. Iti abhimanvan means natu vastutah tatha abhati. Okay, gunavan iva abhati means that it appears that he is overwhelmed by gunas, but when they say iva, it means he is not actually. It appears that he is coming in contact with the modes, so he is somehow influenced by the modes. But even though he is into it, but still he is out of it. That's the main point. He's not abhimanvan, means there is no influence of the modes upon him, over him. And that is, so this is the bhumika of Garbhodakshaya Vishnu, and this is the bhumika of Karanadakshay Vishnu. So this is verse 1 to 30, 32. Let us read it. So, in the beginning of the material creation, that absolute personality of Godhead Vasudeva, in his transcendental position, created the energies of cause and effect by his own internal energy. After creating the material substance, the Lord expands himself and enters into it. And although he is within the material modes of nature, because it says antah pravishta, he goes in it, enters in it, and appears to be one of the created beings, he is always fully enlightened in his transcendental position. So, Vijnanena Vijrambita, that's one meaning here of Vijrambita. Generally, Vijrambita means yawning, jrimb, the dhatu jrimb, but here it's something else. Even we saw here, Vijrambita means, manifestation, appearance, coming out. So, yes, like that. Yes, we'll stop here. Anything by anyone? Okay, we'll meet tomorrow as well, Saturday, so that we'll recover one class which we skipped this week. And we'll try to complete this Vishnu Janant Purushottam Linga. We'll try to do this tomorrow. If not tomorrow, then on Monday. And move on to the next one. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Bro, Haribo.
Thank you, Guru.